Hello foodies, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy and flaky Namak Para, a perfect tea time snack. It is also called Nimki or Mathri in different regions. First, preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of flour, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon black cumin or kala jira, add half teaspoon salt. Mix well until the oil is evenly combined. Use black cumin or kala jira for a unique, slightly spicy flavor. Gradually add 1/3 cup of water and knead into a firm dough. Try adding a pinch of carom seeds or ajwain for extra digestive benefits. Rub some oil on top, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Take some dough and roll it evenly into a thin sheet. Flour provides carbohydrate to keep you energized. Roll the dough evenly to ensure all pieces cook uniformly. Trim the edges and cut into small pieces. Black cumin or kala jira helps with digestion and gut health. Whole wheat version contain iron and fiber. Fold each piece as shown. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Drop in the namak para and fry until golden brown and crispy. Traditionally, namak para was deep fried in ghee for a richer flavor. You can also bake them for a healthier version. Namak para is a popular Indian and South Asian snack enjoyed during festivals like Diwali and Holi. Remove and let them cool before serving. Let them cool completely before storing in an airtight container to maintain crispiness. The crunchy texture makes it a perfect companion to tea or coffee. Do you like spicy or classic namak para? Let me know in the comments. If you are a fan of crispy snacks, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade snacks recipes.